Ever seen Notion pages where text stands out in color like this? In this short tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to highlight text in Notion. Whether it's just a few words or an entire row, it's a simple feature, but many beginners only discover it months later. Let's change that today. Let's start with highlighting just part of a sentence or even one word. Select the text with your cursor, then click on this A icon in the pop-up toolbar. Scroll to the background section and pick a color. That's it. The text is now highlighted. You can do this with headings, paragraphs, or even individual words. Try using different colors to group ideas or call attention to important notes. Here's another method. If you want to highlight the entire row or block, not just text, hover to the left of the block and click on these 6 dots. Then choose Color and pick a background. This gives the whole block a colored background, useful for headers, callouts, or to-do sections. Here's a quick comparison. The first method highlights just specific words. The second method highlights the entire row. That's all there is to it. 2 simple ways to highlight text in Notion. Try them both and see what works best for your style. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tips. And let me know in the comments, what's the most confusing part of Notion for you so far?